Some birds produce sounds that can send chills down your spine. From eerie screeches to haunting calls, these birds have some of the most unsettling voices in nature. One barn owl, the ghostly screech. The barn owl's high-pitched scream sounds like a horrifying ghost wail in the night, making it one of the eeriest bird calls ever recorded. Common potu, the phantom moan. This nocturnal bird's mournful wailing sounds like a lost soul crying out in the darkness. 3. Lyrebird, the master of mimicry. This bird can mimic chainsaws, alarms, and even human voices, making its sounds unpredictably eerie. 4. Northern bald ibis, the dinosaur's echo. Its hoarse, prehistoric-sounding calls are a chilling reminder of ancient creatures. 5. Trumpeter swan, the distant horror movie soundtrack. This swan's deep, echoing call resembles an eerie trumpet in a foggy marsh. Want to hear them? Listen at your own risk.